So I'm Caroline Williams-Gray. I'm a Principal Research Associate in the Department of Clinical Neurosciences at the University of Cambridge, and I'm a consultant neurologist at Addenbrooke's Hospital. Parkinson's disease is a common neurological condition that's characterized by the loss of cells in the brain that produce a chemical called dopamine. And this leads to a syndrome of slowness of movement with stiffness and often tremor. At the moment, the treatments that we have for Parkinson's disease are essentially symptomatic. So we use dopamine-based therapies, which can improve the symptoms of the disease, but they don't actually have any impact on altering the progression of the disease over time. But there are a large number of trials currently ongoing which are aiming to try and modify the disease course. So there's been a wealth of evidence accumulating over the past 10 to 20 years or so that inflammation plays a role in Parkinson's disease. If we look at the brain of people with Parkinson's, then we can see that there is inflammation that's there from the earliest stages of the disease. We can also see evidence of inflammation in the blood. And importantly, people who have more inflammation in their blood with Parkinson's disease seem to have a more aggressive disease course. So we're hoping that if we target the inflammation that occurs in Parkinson's disease, we can actually make a difference in terms of how disease progresses. And now we're moving forward with this new trial of another anti-inflammatory agent, which we're really hopeful will make a difference in terms of slowing the progression of the disease. Dapansutrile is an anti-inflammatory drug that's recently been developed by a company called Therapeutics. Specifically, it targets something called the inflammasome. So the inflammasome is a cluster of proteins that forms within immune cells when they're activated. This clump of proteins, when it forms, accelerates inflammation.